Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your one-stop destination for in-depth tech reviews. I'm your host, and today we have a game-changer for you. The Unitek SATA IDE to USB 3.0 adapter. But before we dive in, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss our latest tech updates. Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about the Unitek SATA IDE to USB 3.0 adapter, a versatile device that can transform your storage game. With compatibility for HDDs, SSDs, optical drives, and more, this adapter opens up a world of possibilities. First off, this adapter is a connectivity beast. It comes with a dual-head IDE connector plus a SATA 2 connector. This means you can connect SATA 2.5, 3.5, HDDs up to a whopping 10 terabytes, as well as IDE 2.5, 3.5, HDDs and various optical drives. Want to operate 3 hard disk drives simultaneously? You can do that too. Worried about power? Don't be. Unitek has included a 12 volts 2A power cable that ensures a stable power supply. There's also a 4-pin power cable specifically designed for 3.5 inches IDE drives. You're covered, no matter what you're connecting. Now, let's talk speed. This adapter boasts super speed USB 3.0, offering data transfer rates of up to 5 gigabits per second. Plus, it's backward compatible with USB 2.0 and 1.1, making it incredibly versatile. It supports a wide range of operating systems, including Windows XP, Vista, the 8th of July 10 and Mac OS. One of the best things about this adapter? No need to install any software. It's plug and play, ready to go right out of the box. And it gets even smarter with automatic sleep mode after 30 minutes of inactivity, saving power and extending the lifespan of your drives. There's also an LED light to show power and activity status. With your purchase, you'll receive the SATA IDE to USB 3.0 adapter hard drive cable, the 12 volts 2A power adapter, and the 4pin power cable. Plus, Unitek offers 24-hour friendly customer service and email support for any questions or concerns. Unitek has been in the tech game since 2006, designing and manufacturing user-friendly tech products and accessories for more than 60 countries. Their mission is clear: to make the world more friendly, one product at a time. In summary, the Unitek SATA IDE to USB 3.0 adapter is a game-changing tool for anyone dealing with storage devices. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a gamer, or a business professional, this adapter can streamline your workflow and make data management a breeze. What are your thoughts on this versatile adapter? Have you used Unitek products before? Share your experiences, questions, or suggestions in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews like this. That's a wrap for today, tech enthusiasts. I'm your host, signing off from Product Critique. Remember, with the Unitek SATA IDE to USB 3.0 adapter, your storage solutions just got a whole lot friendlier. Stay tuned for more exciting tech reviews coming your way.